everybody. Welcome to Grateful Glide, where riding becomes a pathway to peace. It has certainly made a difference in my life. I've had so many things that were just very stressful, and riding a motorcycle has really helped me out tremendously, because it is a stress reliever. Although it can be stressful at times riding one, it does relieve stress. Really very weird dichotomy, but nonetheless, it does what it does. I love it. So right now I am on my way to Southern Devil Harley-Davidson to look for some gloves. The gloves that I currently have, I've had a couple pair, but the other ones were like really old and shredded. But these gloves right here, the inside, the seam of the fingers, I think you guys know what I'm talking about. It rubs against my fingertips quite a bit, and it's very uncomfortable. So I'm going to go find some gloves. I probably should also get some fingerless gloves, just so that when I am at red lights, I can make changes on my infotainment screen, which is really good. Really nice looking screen. So this is my first attempt at real-time moto vlogging. Not a strength of mine, but I do feel it's necessary to do it, and I know that I will get stronger at it and more efficient. I love writing scripts, I really do, and the majority of the videos that you've seen from the on the Grateful Glide channel, those were scripts that I had written out and then recorded them, because I like to make sure that whatever I'm going to say, that it's well thought through, researched, and dynamic. And for me, trying to talk to you guys while riding a motorcycle sort of divides my brain, and it doesn't really allow me to be as concise and succinct as I feel that I need to be. It may be okay with you guys on your end, but for me, it's definitely something that I have to learn to do. There are really great people that do it very well. I mean, anybody that I watch, anybody that I have consumed on YouTube over the past few years, I've been really good at doing it. As you can see, I have 9,368 miles on this 2025 Royal Glide. But just a few things that I've done. The first thing that you'll probably notice are the LED lights. I got the Mocardine handguards with the LED lights a few months ago, and they absolutely make this bike look really, really sleek. I love it. The OEM headlight is awesome anyway, but check this out. I added the Ciro goatee light right there. Looks so good. Of course, I got the OEM fairings, the lower fairings with the LED lights in it. Looks phenomenal. Of course, I got the Klockwerks windshield here. It does wonders for the wind for me and my height. I am 5'10" on a good day, 5'9.5" when I don't have any shoes on. So anyway, I got the Ciro frame-mounted Howie pegs. Oh, those things are really nice too. And I got the Ciro brake pad. Just makes it feel and look a lot, secure for me. And then let's check out this RLNS air breather I added that. Really clean. I love it. I added the heat deflectors right here from, I think those are from HogWorkz. Then I got 1 1/4 inch diameter saddlebag guards right here. I think the OEM saddlebag guards just look very, very thin, but this size right here, 1 1/4 inch diameter, it just makes things look really, really more bulkier. I got the saddlebag latch lights. Those are turn signals as well. As you can see, they turn amber. They also work as brake lights. Oh yeah, we got the Rineharts. I am going to upgrade though to tabs. Tabs for me sound a little bit more beefier. I added this coil cover. Got this off of Amazon. Got this shift linkage from Amazon as well. Got the heel toe shifter, Ciro. I got the heel toe shifter from Harley, but I got the Ciro pegs. Let's see, what else did I do? Oh, so I also added this this extra USB port right down here. Basically what I did was I just connected it using one of the heated gear ports underneath the seat, ran it under the gas tank, and just came out here, put it right there. What else do we have here? Of course, I need to upgrade the suspension. I need to upgrade the audio. I may even go to a stage 2, but actually I need to get a tune. I can't get a tune until my warranty's up, and I'm still another year out with that. And from what I've heard, if I were to do a tune while I'm still under warranty, it's going to void the warranty. So I'm also hearing that the Screaming Eagle tuner isn't the best, so maybe I just shouldn't waste my money on that. But yeah. Oh, last but not least, I got the Biker Boys Python seat. It looks good, feels great. Of course, I got my extra padding. I've been thinking about a Mustang, and definitely I'm gonna consider doing that. I'm hearing great things about it, so at the least I have to at least try. But anyway, let's get on back to the house. Get on back to the house. I went in and got some fingerless gloves. Yeah, oh man, my hands are really ashy right now, y'all. But here we go. Y'all let me know what else I need to get. What else are we getting, y'all? What am I forgetting? We talked about suspension. We talked about the audio. What else? The tires. I got a quote. It's going to be about $700 to get those Commander 3s installed, balanced, and all that good stuff. So, yep. Get what you pay for. Well, first thing I need to do is put my glasses on. So, let me stop here and do that. Where are my glasses? Oh, another thing that I did too is I added this, as you can see on the screen. I added this just to make it more convenient for me to plug in my triple charger instead of having that cord dangling out everywhere. And I can see a lot better. Here we go. Hey y'all, maybe you guys do this at times, but although I have my heel toe shifter, I still find myself shifting the traditional way. There's nothing wrong with that. There have been times though that I have appreciated having the heel toe shifter. I mean, it saves the top of your shoes from getting scuffed up and dirty. Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum.